2021 is likely to see acceleration associated with technology, and there are a lot of lessons learned by various education institutions in terms of adopting technology or how they can scale up various processes. Examination management, one of the key areas where a lot of universities face challenges in terms of scalability or conducting online exams for hundreds or thousands of concurrent users simultaneously. Some of the universities succeeded, but some of the universities failed to implement such online examination processes. What is going to be there in 2020? In today's video, I am going to discuss about online assessment trends which are going to be defined in the coming year 2021. So let us try and understand what was the key thought process associated with online examination implementation for various academic institutions. 2021 saw a lot of institutes, universities, schools started adopting online examination platform. They initially started with conducting multiple choice questions based online exams, where students were asked multiple choice based questions and students need to select one of the suitable answer options. In case of traditional pen and paper based exams, education institutions are quite used to conducting such exams where students need to draw diagrams or they need to write on something on the paper, and those answers need to be evaluated by the examiners. But in case of online examination process, some of the limitations that education institutions saw was conducting subjective exams. So Eklavya platform has come up with various innovative features related to subjective exams. One of the best way to conduct subjective exams would be using speech-to-text conversion. So in case of speech-to-text conversion, whatever student is speaking while appearing for the online exam, it can be automatically converted in the text format. So whatever has been spoken by the student, it will be completely converted in the text format and it will be saved in the system. So whenever examiner is going to evaluate such a system, evaluate those answers typed or spoken by the student, it can be easily evaluated by the examiner. Respective examiner will have their own login where they can evaluate such answers typed or written by the students from any location. So location independence has been achieved with the help of online subjective exam, where even there is a facility available to upload particular documents associated with subjective exams. So consider a scenario where students need to draw the diagrams which can be drawn on paper, and student can take a photograph of that document and it can be uploaded as an answer for the respective question, and examiner can log into the system and can evaluate those answers. So a lot of schools, colleges, universities have adopted such an online subjective examination platform in 2020, and they are likely to continue adopting such a platform. Let us take a scenario of entrance exam. So in case of entrance exams for any school or admission exam associated with university, lot of students applies for that, and students are located at multiple locations, multiple cities. And in a traditional environment, if any education institution wanted to conduct physical pen and paper based entrance exam, then they need to invite those students at the respective cities or examination halls, where examination hall need to be booked. Then a physical invigilator need to visit that exam center. Question paper need to be distributed across that center, and then student also need to visit the respective center. They need to write the exam. Then those need to be evaluated by the respective examiners. So there are a lot of logistical activities involved. But technology adoption has simplified entire scenario associated with managing entrance exam or admission exam or any academic exam. Conducting such an exam across multiple cities has become simplified with the help of technology. Remote proctoring is a technology which can help you to automate, simplify, or remotely invigilate the exams, where student appearing for the exam sitting at home will be recorded, and artificial intelligence driven algorithms will help you to identify whether same person is appearing for the exam or not. So all such advanced facial recognition techniques as well as secure browser which can prevent user from opening any other window while attempting the exam has simplified overall examination approach. There are a lot of B schools situated at say Bangalore who are conducting exam for students situated at New Delhi or Bombay, Calcutta. So students are situated at multiple locations, but they are able to appear for the online exams in a seamless manner with the help of remote proctoring scenario. Technology is also going to help education institution to reduce cost associated with overall examination management. So 2020 saw online examination process which has been adopted by various universities, which resulted in a huge cost saving associated with overall examination management. Apart from that, result generation or result declaration process has also been simplified, where as soon as examination is completed, result can be declared within the 1 week's time itself. So any students who were not able to appear for the online exam on the respective date and time, they can be provided additional time slot after a couple of weeks times where new question paper can be easily defined in the online examination system and student can easily attempt such online exam. So conducting online exams for the repeater students or students who have failed in the previous exams has become simplified thing. Prior to that, if in case of traditional pen and paper based examinations, repeater exams usually happens only after 6 months duration or even 1 year duration. But online examination approach has provided simplification associated with conducting such a repeater exam for the absent students or students who have failed in the exam. And overall result declaration or providing instant key feedback to the student has also been simplified with the help of online examination system. Ekelavya platform provides facilities where examiner can share detailed feedback to the respective students. Examiner can add comments associated with particular answer or overall answers attempted by the students that can be shared with the respective students, where student can log into the system and they can view the feedback. They can even download their respective detailed feedback, which can be easily shared with their parents as well. So overall result declaration or conducting online exams in a flexible manner, which is quite possible in the case of online remote proctored exam. And there are quite a few education institutions which are likely to adopt this technology in an aggressive manner, where remote proctored online exam is likely to become new normal for various education institutions, specifically in case of higher education, where there are executive MBA courses or part-time MBA programs, even full-time MBA programs, or various certification courses, where at the end of certification course or within that certification course, education institution as well as certification authority need to evaluate students after certain duration of the time. So in the traditional scenario, they used to book exam center in order to conduct online exam. But in the new normal scenario, they can easily conduct remote proctor based exams and student can easily appear for the exam sitting at any location. So students sitting at any corner of the world can easily attempt online remote proctor driven exam for the respective education institution. Even there is a facility available to conduct online exam in multiple languages as well. So if a student want to attempt online exam in any other languages like Arabic, Gujarati, Hindi, English, Marathi, or even any international languages like Chinese, there is a facility available on in the Ekalavya platform where examiner can define question in the respective languages, and even students will get the facility to attempt those exams in the respective languages. Entire user interface can be converted in the user preferred language, and user can appear for the exam in their own languages. So all such facilities are definitely going to provide acceleration associated with online examination adoption. Online examination system also provides flexibility where you can define a timer per question as well. So imagine a scenario where a specific question will be displayed on the screen only for say 60 seconds. After that 60 seconds, the system will force student to attempt the next question, and student will not be able to navigate to the previous question or cannot navigate to the next question as well. Whatever question has been shown in front of the screen, that need to be attempted by the student within the stipulated time of 60 seconds or 120 seconds or 30 seconds, that can be easily configured within the system. Even there is a facility available where you can do the question randomization or you can shuffle the questions associated with exam. So any two students or multiple students attempting the exam will get different set of questions. You can also define difficulty level parameters. You can also define various other configurable parameters like question topic hierarchy, subject topic hierarchy associated with the exam, whether you want to enable negative marking or not. So all such configuration features are quite useful in order to configure and conduct remotely driven online exam in a successful manner. We at Ekalavya platform have been working with multiple institutions, various multinational organizations associated with certification authorities who are conducting online exams successfully with the help of Ekalavya platform. We have adopted best practices associated with online exam after taking into consideration feedback from various stakeholders like registrar or dean of the colleges or dean of the universities. We have also taken into consideration feedback provided by the students while attempting the exam. So if you are interested in converting your traditional exam, or even if you are interested in improving your online examination process, then please connect with us for the demonstration purpose. We will be more than happy to share the details associated with the best practices of online examination process. So to conclude, 2021 is likely to see more and more such online examination approaches which will be adopted by education institutions. Even there will be AI-driven algorithms in order to evaluate subjective exams where examiners will be assisted by the machines, where machines can predict whether the answer typed by the student is accurate or whether it is close to the actual model answer or not. So all such technology-driven approaches are very useful. Any education institution can easily convert their online exam in an online manner. It will provide them flexibility. They can reduce cost associated with examination management, as well as they can declare the results in a quick time. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in more such interesting videos associated with education technology domain, then please subscribe to our channel so that whenever we are going to release more such interesting videos, you will get notified.